Styles are a big deal in Flare. They're a big deal because they're the primary way to make your content look good. You don't have to be the world's biggest expert to use styles in Flare, but then again, the more you know about them, the more you'll be able to do. A style is an element that contains formatting settings, like the font color, background, borders, margins, and much more. Styles are contained in Style Sheet, or CSS files. These CSS files are stored in the Content Explorer in Flare, usually in the Resources Style Sheets folder. So you're already seeing something very important about styles. They're maintained separately from your topics and other content files. And that's important when it comes to single sourcing and working smarter. After you get your styles defined just the way you want, you apply those styles to the different areas of your content. But we'll go into that in more detail later in this video series. So what's CSS? Well, it's not something we invented. We just use it, like millions of others. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets, and it's a set of standards used by people everywhere to style content on the web. When you surf the internet at work when you're not supposed to, you're looking at web pages designed with CSS. The group behind CSS is called the World Wide Web Consortium, and they can be found at w3.org. You might be wondering, why can't I just format stuff right in my document like I do in Word? Wouldn't that be a lot easier? Well, yes, actually you can do that in Flare. It's called local formatting, but it's not recommended. Styles are way better. If you use local formatting and you want to make a heading green, you've got to do that everywhere you have that heading. That could be hundreds or even thousands of places. Then, if you want to change your headings to purple to match your eyes, you need to go find all those hundreds or thousands of headings and change the color on each one. On the other hand, a style lets you change it in just one place. That's why it's so important to keep the content separate from the presentation. CSS is a big subject, a huge subject. It's more than we can talk about here. In this video series, we're going to cover some of the most important things you'll need to know about styles and style sheets when working in a Flare project. If you want to dig even deeper, you can spend some time looking through the w3.org website. Another external resource we recommend is w3schools.com. And there are many more resources you can find out there on the internet. And remember, whenever you see people walking around with their faces stuck to their smartphones, chances are pretty good that they're looking at something that was designed with CSS. See? I told you it's a big deal.